Hello viewers, today we are going to learn how to create a table in Excel and how to calculate basis statistical formula in Excel. Let's do it. So I have create a table. So I am writing a table name, that is data. Then here I am writing the syntax to calculate the basics formula, basic statistical formula. So here I am writing the syntax for sum. Here I am writing the syntax for average and how to use the table to calculate the average easily. For this easiness, I have created the table. Without creating table, every time I have to select the data range, and the selection of data range in individual time is time consuming. That's why I have developed a table. Here is a max formula to calculate the max of this amount from this table. And the minimum value of the amount is 0. So here I got the 0. And as you know, range means is a difference between max and minimum values. And I'm writing the syntax for unique formula, and the unique formula used for to identify the sales division, how much sales division here and what is their name. And if I use the count formula before the unique formulas, then we can get the number, the unique number of sales division. And cell division number is 6 here. Thank you so much for watching this video.